Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use your Android phone as a remote control for your Android TV. So make sure to follow the step-by-step process, and at the end of the video you will be able to do it. So the first step is just open your Play Store on your Android phone, and once you go to the Play Store, just make sure to search the application remote control for Android TV. Make sure to write down this complete statement and click on search, and once you click on search, so you will be seeing this application remote for Android TV. So Raghav Ahuja, you can read the company name as well, and you can see the logo of the remote control as well. So make sure to download the application, click on download, and once you download it, you will be able to control your Android TV with your mobile phone as well. And let's say that you are not able to see the application, so what you can do is just connect a VPN or change the region of your app store, and once you change the region, you will be able to download the application remote for your Android TV. So let it download. Once downloaded, just click on open, and once you click on open, so as you can see, like, it will be searching for your TV as well. So make sure to connect your TV to the Wi-Fi as well, and once connected, what you can do is just click on choose a TV, and once you click on choose a TV, so you'll be seeing a list of all the TVs available in this list. So make sure to choose your Android TV from here, and once connected, you can control your complete TV from this remote. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.